Hi guys, it's me, Makeup by Jordana, or Jordan if you guys know me personally. But you don't. So, nail check. Haven't been here in a while. Haven't seen you guys in a long time. It's me just looking at my nails the entire time doing that. Haven't seen you guys in such a long time. Notice anything different? So haven't been here in a long time. If you guys don't know who I am, I'm an up-and-coming makeup artist with a passion to look like Beyonce's right thigh. But if you guys aren't new here, you guys know who I am. Hi, Jordan. Welcome back. I love it. We love it. We love it. We live for it. We love it. Okay. So, if you guys are wondering why I have these gorgeous nails and I don't have any base on, surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise. So, today we're actually going to be doing my drag transformation. Woo! Instead of claps, it's just my nails going. If you guys want to see how I go from this to this, first I'm going to cover my brows. And up under this hood is a bald cap. So when I reveal this wig, not even a wig, this bald cap. Okay.
Gotta hide that big ass forehead.
So we're gonna cover my brows. I'm actually going to take a makeup wipe and I'm going to figure out how the hell I'm gonna get it out of here. So this is the first time I actually ever had nails. I love them so much. The person that did my nails, Olivia Nails, actually did them for me, and oh my god. She was a joy to get my nails done by, and I lived for it the entire time. But I've never done my makeup with nails at all. Do not mind how my head looks in this wig cap. That is not the question. That's not what you're here for. You're not here for it. You're not here for any of that. We are here for the makeup. And I think I left my color corrector at home. But we are here for the makeup. And the makeup only. So I'm just going to clean up my brows. But I never really had nails. So it's the first time. They're really cute. We're going to cover them. I'm going to take my ELMERS glue stick. This, oh crap. It doesn't matter. I don't need that spoolie. So I'm going to take it. And yeah, I never really had nails. I'm just going to rub it up against the grain. So it's really hard for me to like even function with them. Not like really hard for me to. I'm getting used to it. Like it's something that you'll get used to. I'm back. So, I covered my brows. This one is crunchy. This one is really crunchy. That's okay. It doesn't matter because I'm going to draw my other brows on top of those. It'll look good. It'll work out. It's okay. We'll fix it. And if it doesn't work out, I'm not drawing any brows higher than that. So who cares? So I do my face in sections, so like I'll leave all of this right here covered in foundation and stuff, and I'm gonna conceal and highlight some of my my forehead and everything like that. So I'm gonna go do that now, and I do avoid putting concealer and everything on top of my brows because that's when they get all chunky and nasty and weird and ugly. And I'm just gonna grab my concealer. I'm using my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut. It is very used. As you can see, I need some more. I'm just going to conceal up here, and I conceal twice. This is just my closer skin tone shade, so if I need more coverage or anything like that, then that's fine. And I actually am going to start concealing up under my under eye as well. And I do a lot of this.
You got any plans for the summer?
Oh, I hate summer.
I know.
I despise summer. I hate it. Goodbye.
So you like
No.
do you like fall or spring more, or winter?
I'm a fall. I thrive in the fall.
As you should thrive all the time.
Huh?
As you should thrive all the time, 24/7.
Yeah, the options are vibes. But I hate summer. I'm getting concealer and foundation all over my nail. It's okay. But no, I hate it. Guys, I got my eyebrows started for the first time.
Huh?
Got my eyebrows started for the first time. This is a really crunchy brow. Got my eyebrows started for the first time, and it was horrible. I'm just kidding. It was actually amazing. I loved the entire experience. It was great. It kind of hurt though. I've never got my eyebrows started before, and when I did, I'm just gonna go in with a brighter concealer. When I did, if I can grab it. Oh. This is in the shade beige. I don't need to look. NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. You know the vibes. So I got my eyebrows started for the first time and it was great, but it kind of hurt a lot. Kind of wanted to cry. Like, I had my eyes closed and I kept them closed the entire time. She was like, keep your eyes closed. And I was like, period. I looked up, I opened my eyes, the biggest tear, like, I'm telling you, like, the fattest of tears came gushing down my entire eye. Like, I thought that my eye was a literal waterfall. It was great. But 10 out of 10, would go back again. I loved it so much. And the lady was really nice and she was super cool. Now that this is done, and I am going to conceal my forehead just a little bit, and you are able to go very dramatic with it, which is fine because when you are doing dark makeup, a lot of dark makeup is super dramatic and like out there, so it's okay if you add a lot. And I try not to blend it too much at all. And I'm gonna leave this like this. It looks really, really nice. And then I'm actually going to, I'm going to do my entire base. Yeah, that's fine. And I'm also using a mix of foundations. I usually use my NARS foundation, but I'm also using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Mahogany.
What her name? Mahogany.
Mahogany. And I usually do color correct. Yeah.
Oh. What did you think of? What did you think of Ariana Grande's wedding?
Of her wedding?
Yeah.
She didn't invite me, so I hate her forever.
Are you gonna tweet her?
I'm going to tweet at Ariana Grande with my relevant account. My totally relevant account. And I'm gonna say, you. And now we're gonna conceal actually down here. Alright, so I highlighted my face, but I don't know where my cream contour is, so we are going to, like, a lot of things I don't know where they are. We're going to,
ice cream.
Huh?
You can use ice cream. Cream contour.
So we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna highlight, and I'm gonna take my Morphe banana powder, and I'm just going to, actually I'm gonna set my entire face using my Laura Mercier setting powder. And I'm gonna tap it. I'm just gonna set my entire photo. But I'm avoiding the areas that I'm actually highlighting, that I'm gonna be highlighting. So my concealed areas, I'm gonna be avoiding them because I don't want to make those a different color. I'm just taking some of that powder. I'm just gonna go around here. And I'm going to take this up into the stocking cap as well and everything like that. But when I add like bronzer and contour and stuff like that, that's fine.
It's called a stocking cap?
Ball cap, stocking cap.
Okay. How long did it take for you to tuck your hair in? Oh man, both of you looked at, I'm assuming at least 45 minutes. 40?
He's giving us a lot, isn't he?
4,000. 400,000.
He's giving us a lot.
I'll be right back.
He gave us a lot, huh? He was giving us a lot. 7 hours?
About 7 hours?
Just to do the hair. Just to do the hair.
About 6 hours just to wrap it.
6 hours just to wrap it. It got to be glued.
Got to be glued.
It got to be glued.
It is still not wrapped properly.
I'm gonna go in and I'm actually gonna powder contour and everything. I'm gonna be using my amazing Beats by Playing in Yolanda Beat Down palette to bronze and wrong palette. Beats by Playing in Makeup by Yolanda Beat Down palette. And if you guys want to see how I recreated this last look, make sure you guys click up here or go watch the last video as to why I you know, recreated this last look right here. It's so gorge. So go make sure you guys go click that link if it's not up here. Then just go back and click the last video. Also, the like button is free. Free. Anyways, so I'm going to contour now. I'm going to be taking a brush. I lose this contouring brush every 5 minutes.
It's gone.
And I'm going to make sure I'm kind of heavy because I didn't have any cream contours on or anything like that. But I still want to make it look like I have on makeup. So we're going to be very, very harsh. I've used this palette so much. Zucchini. Okay, so now I have to hold, I'm going to contour my nose using this same couple of shades. I look really weird, it's okay. But I have to grab a small brush.
Wow.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, okay, so I'm back. I did my brows and everything off camera. They look crazy, but that's okay. So it'll look perfectly fine in the distant future. Right now, I'm trying to get my lash off my pinky. I'm going to take my lash. I'm going to glue my actual lashes on. And then I'm going to be right back to wrap up the look. So this is the finished look, guys. This is my full quote-unquote drag transformation with just, you know, hair, makeup, and wig. Don't clock the lace. It is in 4K. We are in 4K. I love this look. I love the nails. I love everything that goes with it. I love the entire atmosphere of it. I think it's like amazing. The hair's really cute. Just don't look at the lace. Work. Why did you drink water? Not asking him why did he drink water. As if like he doesn't have a reason to be hydrated. But if you guys please enjoyed the video, if you guys did enjoy the video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. Please subscribe. You guys probably already watched like 4 videos before this, before we got to this point. Or you guys have been probably stalking my social media. Welcome to the stage, social media stalker. If you guys haven't seen my last video, please make sure you guys click up here or click back there or anywhere, probably somewhere over here, or just go back to see my last video. It was amazing. I collabed with Larissa. That was my last video. And we did a Q&A and she did my makeup. But yeah, I really enjoyed doing this look. There might be more looks like this to come. It just depends. If you guys like it this much, then like it, blow it up, share it everywhere. And there might be more looks like this. It might be something that might come back. I might be able to do it to other people. But Let me know if you guys liked it. Please comment down below. Please like the video. Please subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.